Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 26 December 2018's pre-open analysis. Today we are going to talk why we have to think big and why we have to set our goal big, because this year's ambition of mine or goal of mine was that I have to travel at least 5 countries, and it happened so that in a very small time we covered 2 more countries in last 4 or 5 days. So that's one of the reason I could not produce the video on Monday. So it happened to be that I was in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So alright, so at the end of day, what you think is what you get. So how much you think is your goal, or what you think should be your threshold, is what you'll be getting. That's the power of law of attraction. Okay, so set a smart goal for yourself and go ahead with the goal full on. Okay, don't just let your dream sleep over there at some point of time. That's what I wanted to say. All right, so today what is market showing the signs? 26 December 2018 seems to be quite okay for itself. It's just 12 points up on SGX Nifty, and on Monday US markets have shown a big huge tumble. Yesterday was a market holiday. Probably today we'll see a huge negative move in the market. Let's watch what market has to offer in today's session. It seems to be that SGX Nifty is showing a slight green turn. However, as US markets have done pretty bad for itself on Monday. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open in negative to flat or slightly positive in today's pre-open session. Indian markets has crashed from the level of 11,000. Why is that? Because I had previously told you that 11,000 itself is a very strong resistance for the market, because whatever ends with 2 zeros or 3 zeros happens to be a huge psychological support if it is upwards, or huge psychological resistance if it is down below that. The huge support around the levels of 10,676 levels, and below this is what we can see that the Indian markets will tumble towards the level of 10,600, 10,500 levels in order to take support. Around 676, if it can take support and go upwards, the Indian markets will go again towards the level of 10,707 or 10,732 or 10,767 and 10,800, 10,813, 10,850, 10,884, which are the resistances in Indian markets. The supports, if we have to speak about, the supports are 10,650 levels, 10,632 levels, 10,600 is a very strong support, 10,563 is a very strong support for the Indian market, which becomes the Fibonacci retracement in the previous level, and 10,550 of course and 10,500 are very strong supports if the market has to tumble down towards that. And if it has to go down, the level of 10,481 levels are very strong support. 10,450, 10,400, 10,378 are strong supports in Indian markets. This is the technical analysis for today, guys. There is a session happening of technical analysis and 3 strategies which will be taught on 29th and 30th of this month. So if you want that information, click on the first link in the description below. That will be taken to the 3 strategies session happening on Saturday and Sunday in Residency Road 91 Springboards Academy and go to webinar. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.